Fabric total length 40 inches and width 4 inches. Do not skip this video, every part informative. Create pleat every 2 inches. Marking. Start folding. First, sew the pleats from one side. Opposite side. Do not skip this part key step. Create small pleat from the other side. Now attach the embroidered patch to the pleats. Next step is attach lace. To attach with shirt. Next, I will show you attach invisible lace. This way. Cut the extra fabric. Important part. Then turn to the other side. Sew here. Look invisible sewing. Piping. Fold piping and hand stitch. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, please. Thanks for watching.